Hey guys, it's Rich with Rich Rebuilds here, and I was able to get my hands on a BMW i8 up for auction that's been sitting parked for over a year. Now this car has me excited because i8s are unknown territory for me, and I personally love the look of them. Yes, they're a hybrid, and yes, they're the worst of both worlds, meaning a tiny gas engine combined with a tiny electric motor, but maybe one day it could replace my Z06. I mean, the doors grow up like a bird, and I like birds. The YouTuber Samcrac told me all about this i8 local to him, so I flew 1,300 miles to Florida to visit for a few days to see what the car was all about. Here is that trip from start to finish. So I get on my plane and listen to the safety announcement, but no one listens to that anyways because if the plane starts going down, we're all going to die anyways. And now they have cartoons because everyone knows the guy up front's just wasting his time. So I got to Florida, rented a car from Fox Rental, which I've never heard of before, drive to my hotel, which is literally the most Florida hotel ever, with beads hanging from this weird structure in the middle of the lobby and the Egyptian pharaohs for no reason at all, as well as decorations from 1984. I go to sleep, wake up the next morning, check out the room, and there's a DVD player in the room. A DVD player. Head to the mall for some food at the food court, and there's a Chick-fil-A, Sunside, Chinese place, and another Chinese place, and Salem. Wake up the next morning, oh, a plane. Cool. Meet up with Sam, then we hit up the auction yard. What do you think of this Buick Century, Sam? Look at this thing. So someone cut the roof off, I'm assuming, to get the person out of this thing?
You know how people just chop the roof off for the fun of it, but yeah, I guess this doesn't look like a fun of it, especially if you look at that.
No, this doesn't look very fun at all. Or maybe it was the fire department. You know, the fire department, sometimes what they'll do is they'll cut a car up to test. Look at this, there's moss on the inside of this one. Look at that moss. Wow.
That's not moss, Rich.
What is that then?
That's like...
That's moss, dude. That's 100% moss.
Moss is in...
That's moss.
That's... Let me smell it.
Dude, just eat it, dude. That's definitely moss.
Looks
Try
like
it.
broccoli.
That's definitely moss, man. Look at this. There's even a Mountain Dew can. How long is this car sitting here for?
So this is like dirt, and then it's got stuff growing out of the dirt. Moss is what grows on a tree. See that stuff over there?
Dude, that's
See that
moss,
stuff over there
man. What?
in the
Yeah.
tree?
Yeah.
That's moss.
Dude,
the
that's
gray stuff.
That's definitely moss, man.
Okay.
We'll see what the commenters think. I'm sure they're gonna prove. They're gonna prove one of us wrong.
Like moss. Volkswagen engine.
I can't even. That's definitely a Volkswagen at the back.
You sure?
Yeah, I think it's a Volkswagen, man. Those look like BBSs.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's a GTI or a Rabbit or something.
It had a roll cage.
Did it?
I wonder, did the roll cage help out at all? What do you think? Did the roll cage actually maintain the structure? It kind of did. The fire department cut the guy out, definitely. Guy or girl. Person.
I said it didn't look like a
individual.
Volkswagen engine. Look what it says right there, Volkswagen AG.
The turbo.
This was modded up. Forge. So
Wow.
it has the, look, these are Audi R8 coilovers in there too. The red ones.
Wow.
Coilovers, what am I saying? Coil packs.
Yeah, my coilovers. Sam, what are you doing, Sam?
Coilovers. So.
I'd be honored to pick up this car.
What honored?
I'd be honored. I'd be honored to get this car.
Honored, okay. I just think you'd be, lucky if you wanted at the auction.
Yeah, why did I say honored? That was a strange word to use. And the bumper's in there already. Maybe the bumper's still good. What do you think? At least get some parts from it.
Hey, and it comes with a GoPro camera, right?
Does it? No way. Is a GoPro in there? The boat's actually not that bad. The interior's nice. No bags went off. The seats are in great shape. It only has 1,300 miles on it, as that sticker says. This is pretty nice. The front end doesn't seem so bad.
External mic on it.
Oh, wait a minute. This one only has 2 prongs, but this one has 3.
Huh.
And they're both 7.0s, whatever that means.
It's a 7-liter.
7-liter nothing. Look at that. Dual. I love the dual AC. This is the greatest invention ever, man.
It's got to be like firmware upgrade 7.0.
I just want to drive this thing, but I just feel like I would... Can I handle the power? I don't know if I can handle the power of this thing, Sam. What do you think?
E2 electric. Look that up, man.
I like how there's 4 cup holders. You can only fit 2 people, but they can have 2 drinks each.
That's true.
You know what I mean? That's awesome.
That's a great observation.
Think about that for a second.
This is the i8 that is like in amazing shape. It's got a color changing wrap on it, although you can't really see the color because there's so much
so
dust
dusty.
on it.
How long's this been here for? It's like a relic.
But the last few times I've been here, it's been here. It's really like a barn find.
So I finally see the i8, and yeah, but can I get in the car? Sam then informs me that the car has no keys. Well, this was fun, boys and girls. This is what the outside of an i8 with a color-changing wrap looks like. I get back to my hotel and go to sleep. Sam wakes me up at 5 o'clock in the morning, telling me it's time to go to a car show, a 4-hour drive away. So I get my laptop, deodorant, a bag of underwear, and then I put my camera in the bag of underwear, hop in the elevator. Sam calls me again and tells me to bring him 2 apples. Okay, well, I'm going to give him the 2 bruised apples because that guy. He shows up in his R8, reminds me once again not to forget his apples.
You got the 2 apples in there?
No, they're actually in the front still.
You didn't get the apples?
I did, but I left them here just in case you were late.
Those apples, all right? I need the apples.
We drive 2 hours, then hit up Bojangles.
That was weak.
I didn't shift because we're going to
Bojangles, yeah.
Then Sam talked endlessly, so I had Bojangles in his car. Sam then showed me the awesome navigation system that Audi has to offer.
Navigate to Ritz-Carlton, Amelia Island.
Sorry.
Navigate.
Sorry.
Navigate.
Cancel.
Destination.
Sorry.
It's saying city. They want you to do city. So say.
Sorry.
Well, here, Jacksonville.
Cancel.
Make a call.
Sorry.
Then we get to the actual show, and here's what Samcrac and I do at a car show.
It's here, huh? Look at this, the Ritz.
I don't know. This is obviously where people stay that have more money than you.
Sam's got jokes in his salvage dirty ass R8
Hey,
with dust
hey,
all over
don't
the
touch the
dashboard. Jesus, Sam, you're gonna look so dumb. You're the last car to show up.
And it's salvage.
Everyone's gonna be looking at you, and you're gonna be like, "Wow!" You look at me, all dressed up, all decked out. This is a $200 shirt, by the way, Sam.
Is it?
No, I'm
If
kidding.
you spent $200 on that shirt, listen, this is your fault because I had to come and pick you up. Is there a trash can for all that trash that you're talking right now?
Sam, do you have a quick detailer? And I have a quick detailer for this guy. He forgot to wash his car.
Yeah,
Look at
listen,
this. Good taking a picture of you.
If you ask, they'll have them. Dude, this is hilarious.
Sam,
Please continue to take this video.
Dude,
Please get.
dude.
I want you to get all the like.
Dude, the
looking
entire
at this guy.
universe is looking at you like, why is this guy 2.5 hours late? And his car's not even clean.
And his car's.
Why was this guy late?
This is hilarious.
We understand that. Thank you, sir. Everyone's taking pictures of you like you matter. I mean, you don't, but...
What is this? Is this real grass? Oh my God, this is amazing.
It's a golf course, sir.
It's amazing. I've never been on a golf course before. Maybe you look like you're a golfer right now,
Yeah,
Sam. Look at you, all decked out.
Decked out. I don't think this is what golfer wears. I bet you there's like 87 other ones.
I don't think so. It looks like that's the only R8 in the world.
great.
To be clear, this is the cheaper one, right?
This
This is
Well, I don't know if they made.
Okay, open it up. Let's see.
I've tried to make it look like it's got the key thing.
Let's see the inside. Oh, Bojangles, huh? That's cool.
Hey, at least it's on your dirty necklace. Look at your grease stain,
Dude,
dog.
shut up. That was like when you bought it. Dude, you didn't even clean the jam, Sam. Look at this.
Don't even look at that.
Oh my God.
That's got Copart
Jeez
dust on it.
Christ.
When you're sponsored by Copart,
No.
you leave the Copart.
I'm gonna
dust
bleep
on.
that part out. What are we gonna look at here, Sam? What kind of cars are you looking for?
You know, there's a lot of stuff, obviously.
Dude, I should have
This
bought
catches my
sunglasses.
eyes right off
What, the
bat.
CRX?
No, the Aston, it looks great. I know that they're like bad.
Look at this guy.
driving.
Look at this guy cleaning his car, Sam. This man
No,
cares.
Beautiful.
He even
My
brought
car was
chairs.
just- What a
People are looking at it though. People like your car. I think I want to get an R8 now. I want to be noticed like
I
Sam.
feel really bad that I did not just bring some spray and just wipe it down really quick.
People-
Look at this. They got alcohol. It's what is it? 9 a.m. right now.
This is what rich white people do, Sam. Tell me more about it. What's it like living this life?
So basically, you wake up.
Yep.
You got these really nice pillows, all right?
Yep.
And sheets.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And then
You hop in your R8.
You hop in the R8. And then when you pick up a dude like Rich,
Yeah.
and you take him to one of the finest.
I'm gonna
fast food
stop it right
restaurants,
here. I'm gonna stop it
he
right here.
destroys your interior
That's
like
not
he's
true.
like a 3-year-old child.
That's not true. The car's already destroyed, Sam.
Okay.
The car was written off a long time ago.
That is true. It was written off. That is a fact.
Yeah, I like these a
So
lot.
this is what we need to go in half on.
What? An NSX?
Yeah.
Sam, you live in like several states away. How will we do that?
That's a
How
tough
that even work?
thing.
Dude, Sam, Jay Leno's right there, dude. Holy crap. It's Jay Leno, dude. Holy shit.
zoom in. Let's see.
That's awesome. It's definitely Jalen. What's he doing out here? Those cheap pants. Those from Walmart or something? No, I'm just kidding. It's definitely Jalen. Oh wait, no, it's not. No, sorry, just kidding. Let's go look at some Corvettes. A little bit more lowbrow, more like my people. Our people, actually. You own a Corvette too?
I own a Corvette. I'm in a hurry to get rid of it.
Why?
It's for sale. This is ad. We'll put a link in the description.
Yeah, nope. I'm gonna be editing this part out for sure. Is there any shoddy body work you care to disclose about your vehicle, or should they watch your channel to see how you built it?
No, because if you watch the channel, every single panel that came from the salvage auction is on that car. The only one that's been repainted was the front bumper.
You do the work yourself?
Crack because it was.
Did you use the Vornado, the vortex painting method for that? Or did you do a brush?
Everybody's making up names for the turbine paint sprayer.
Literally the perfect shot.
Yeah.
This guy's bouncing on his penis right now to get that shot. Look at this guy. You put NSX next, Sam. You don't?
Yeah.
Why?
I know everybody loves NSX. I'm not a big fan.
But you like the old Porsche building right now? That thing's terrible, Sam. This guy really doesn't want to fall out of this car.
It's something
right.
really.
On the next episode of Rich Listens to Sam talk incessantly. Okay. All right, our steam. So I guess I was wrong. I was spotted first. Someone said, "Hey, are you Rich?" And I'm like, "Yeah, but my friend Sam." I kept pointing at Sam, and like, "Yo, I have this friend named Sam. He's a little struggling channel. He's trying to get off the ground. You should check him out." And the guy's even heard of you. That sucks.
Hey.
Anyways, you gotta start somewhere, Sam.
It's not about.
So I don't know. What would you rather have? Would you rather make as much money as Sam does, or be recognized in the street like Rich? I don't know.
Hey, you don't get paid off of the subs. You get paid off of the views.
That's right.
And Rich, you get very good views.
No, I don't. I got like 50 views on my last video.
Hey, right now, what Rich is doing is discrediting all you viewers right now watching this video. Okay, so if you feel cheated, go right now, youtube.com/Sam.
Samcrac.
Thank you so much. You need to bring it back to you?
Yeah.
Thank
No?
you so much, man.
How did you get free like that, Sam?
I've had good luck with that.
All right, Sam.
All right.
Tell them what you just did. Tell them what you just did, Sam.
I went up to the very nice gentleman at the McGuire's booth.
Did you get his name? No, because Sam doesn't care.
I said, well, I put it on you. I said, I've got this great friend right here. His name is Rich. He's got a huge YouTube channel.
He's a deaf mute because I'm talking for him, right?
I said he's got an Audi R8 here. It is filthy disgusting. We driven through snow, everything.
Snow?
And did we drive through? You came from Massachusetts.
Oh, I did. I flew through the snow.
So I said, we got dirty R8. We need some spray detail. Right here, right here. He hooked it up. Big thanks to.
I can't believe it. Shout out to McGuire's. Wow.
Right, and then watch. We're going to do before and after the car right now, which is going to look way better. And Rich, are you going to give me this content right now?
Yeah, I'll give it back to you, of course. That's pretty good. But wait, don't you already have a sponsorship with someone else, Sam? Interesting. Look at that. He was recognized.
We just hit these guys up for some McGuire's. I went to the booth of my list and I went up, you know, Rich? Yeah. I said this guy's got a huge channel. We need that. He's got a dirty R8. And they're like, oh, only for him though. Yeah.
I think anyone with a V8 R8 they didn't bother to bring. I think that's what the deal is. It's like, sir, can I check your title status? This doesn't seem clean. I don't know why.
This is probably not the way they'd want this demonstrated.
Definitely not. Nope. But it still looks good. All right, Sam, now the next goal is we got to get some rim and tire detailer.
And then interior,
Bojangles chicken. Hey, my friend just dropped some Bojangles chicken breakfast and just ground it into my seat. You think I need to get rid of that?
That's a true story.
Just give me your content. Just copy your SD card to mine. It'll be fine.
That's fine. As a matter of fact, I think we should do that. I think we should share SDs.
Yeah, I agree.
Just as long as it's SDs.
Yeah, not SDs. Nah, I get it. Hey, you haven't even started this side yet. Sam, you're doing a very, very sloppy job on this McGuire's. You're doing them no justice whatsoever. Seriously.
Actually, let me put on my spray mode.
Okay.
You have a spray mode?
Yeah.
Meaning you're going to spray it? Oh, so you can see the actual individual drops and stuff?
Well, no. Not like that. Pretty much, the camera will take a lot of photos within a certain amount.
Oh, like burst?
A burst.
Burst, see?
He knows.
I know the deal. You said spray.
What do you think? Look, he's got the Dolby and the camera G7X Mark II. That's what every vlogger uses.
Look at that form. Look at that form.
I'm putting a lot of product on. A lot of product.
Now wipe that.
Spider head. Wipe it.
There we go.
That's a lot of product.
Yeah.
And our engineers are just total perfectionists, and this is what they like to do. So this is basically what we do. They always try to make the best possible product, and the results
That's 5 guys?
What you see.
Wow. Sam, are you serious right now? You think it drives? What do you think, Nick?
Yeah, that drives.
Can that move under its own power out of here?
Yeah, do you want me to show you?
Yeah, hop right in, yeah. I like the snipers come take you out in like 2 seconds.
No leather.
No leather? Use it on the dashboard. Your dashboard's filthy, Sam.
That's fine.
You have dust and like Bojangles dust all over your dashboard.
Yeah,
Which
who's
is
that from?
disgusting. From you, you had like, what, 5 ham sandwiches this morning?
No, I didn't have 5. I ordered you quite a few.
I didn't eat any.
And
I felt bad. You said eating them so fast. I thought you were hungry.
said you like chicken.
Why would you say that? Why would you assume I like chicken?
No, because I asked you in the thing. I said, "What do you want?" They
I
got
said
chicken. You said, "I want the chicken."
I said order whatever you want.
No.
I said Sam. I said Sam, order for me.
To be
Order for me what you think I would like.
The chicken.
And you ordered chicken. I was like, fine.
And you ate it. You said, "This is possibly one of the best breakfast meals I ever had."
Yeah,
Chicken.
maybe I said that.
Then Sam wanted to take me out to show me the best that Florida has to offer for cuisine. We finally ended up at a Mexican restaurant with karaoke.
Yeah, this right here. This guy's actually pretty good.
On the last day of Caucasian Fest 2019, we saw some cool McLarens, saw one black guy, and then Sam and I drove the 4 hours back with his car bouncing around like this.
This is a review of Audi R8 coilovers.
Yep.
And if you can see how the car is...
Legit, I'm holding the camera steady right now. It's bouncing all over the place.
What's that? Oh.
What?
The suspension light came on.
Then Sam took me to his house, showed me how to feed his cows, then sent me packing back to the freezing cold the next day. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this trip recap. Sorry about the keys for the i8, but I have a feeling this won't be the last time you see an i8 on this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.